Wave, Alex.
Hey, do I need to be to the right or the left of this movie? Doesn't matter. Since nobody's coming.
Just stay to the left of it.
Okay.
It's kind of in the middle of the channel.
Yeah, well, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
There's nobody coming, so.
Yeah, that's fine. Hi, buddy.
Pulling your dad on the wakeboard. I swear to God, if he could have drove and pulled himself on the wakeboard, he probably would have.
I would have.
He was giving me directions the whole time.
All the way from the back of the boat.
And I did good.
She did.
Well, there's a big dragonfly behind Holly's head.
That's not a big one. I guess, yeah. He's not gonna hurt you. Dragonflies are good if they land on you.
Do this, and I'm like, I got this, Steve. I got it. I did good. Now it's all hairy. What, I guess what? Ryan's gonna get you.
What? Ash! Ow! Clayton, get in the water. Ow! What? What's that? Clayton. I'm over here. What? I'll take you to more. I'll wait for you. I'll take you to more.
Just jump, bud. I wish my camera was freaking working.
Why didn't you charge it?
I thought it was charged.
It's not.
Whoa.
What was that?
Come on, I'm right here.
You're on a boat.
Ryan, watch.
Can you video them though? Jump on the back.
Yeah.
Ryan.
Y'all go way out so you don't hit the motor.
Mom, I mean just
Hayden,
to
jump
dive
way
off
out.
like
You
that.
gotta jump way out, son. Way out.
I mean just
Belly
to jump
flop.
off like Savannah did. Oh. Hey!
That's what I need to do is tie up to them.
Yeah. Look, I take video.
You don't have to call me son. He won't go
You want me to throw you? You want me to throw you?
No.
You want me to throw you, Savannah?
No. 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 Okay. Want to go out where Lauren is? Go out where Lauren is, Savannah.
Yeah, y'all go where Lauren is. We're gonna go tie up to your dad.
Yeah, I'm gonna move over there.
Y'all go